Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm super excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make some fall candles, y'all. Listen, the fall is here. I don't care how hot it is outside. The fall is here. We're going to talk all about fall. We're going to talk about fall scents. Guys, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss the up and coming videos that will be featured on this channel. The fall have arrived. Guys, I'm so excited about the fall, and I know you are. So today we're going to be basically building our fall line. The first thing that we're going to do in our fall line is our fall amber jars. Now you guys know that these jars sell very well at Bath & Body Works. These are some very popular straight-sided 8-ounce jars. I love mine with the threaded lid. It's two types of lids that come with. You got the plastic lid and the threaded lid. I love the threaded lid because the threaded lid looks so much more professional. Now when it comes down to these jars, you can use the most beautiful labels that will actually make these look worth more than what they are actually valued at. You can actually turn this into a luxury jar with the perfect label, okay? Anyway, guys, if you want the whole entire recipe, it will be linked in the description box, guys. I'm gonna do something different that I never did before. I'm actually gonna put a PDF. I'm actually gonna put a PDF in the description box giving you everything you need to make the perfect candle, meaning that I don't have to go around going in Facebook groups trying to figure out how to make a candle smell good, what size width to use. I'm going to give you the right width for this jar if you're using 464 soy wax or you using Parasoy wax. I am going to put, now what is Parasoy? Parasoy is soy and paraffin mixed, and soy is just soy wax. So I'm going to give you the perfect wick, the hot throw. I'm going to talk about fragrances. I'm going to give you guys a list of fall fragrances from a specific company that I know that I've tested that are super strong. If you guys want to be out here at the fall markets and you want to go to the pop-up shop, you can either go to the Patreon where I got hundreds of recipes, or you can click the link in the description box. I'm going to give you a PDF. That PDF is going to hook you up. It's going to give you everything you need to start your 8-ounce straight-sided jar fall business, okay? So you don't even have to do a whole lot of testing. I'm just gonna give you everything you need, okay? So thank me later for that. I'm gonna give you over $500 worth of information in a PDF sheet, and guys, guess what? It's not even gonna cost you no more than 10 bucks. Say thank you, okay? I can't even launch a fall line without bringing out these amber jars, the clear ones, the amber ones, and also my 3-wick tumblers. And this is also another jar that we will be using, and this is one of my favorite jars. You can use the black ones, you can use the white ones. I like white because I use white labels. White to me, you know, I just could put so much more on it when it comes down to colors and stuff like that. You guys know I love colors. I'm going to show you guys exactly what my candle will look like in the end. And guess what? If you purchase that PDF, I am going to put the template that I use to design my very candles inside of that PDF as well. So you can use that template and basically put all your candle making business information in there, and you can print those out, and guess what? You're going to have a beautiful luxury looking candle for less, okay? Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it.
Okay guys, so it is fall, so I pull out my fall scents. Of course, I'm not going to show the labels because I'm not being paid to advertise for a company, but I have bourbon butterscotch. I also have sweet potato and brown sugar, and the other one I'm using is Fruit Loops, and that's not a fall scent, but it is definitely one of those scents that sell very heavy for me at my fall/winter markets. I'm going to go ahead and put my wick into this jar. Now, I use the same size wick for my soy and my Parasoy. I usually don't notice a difference. Sometimes a fragrance can change your wick size, but that don't happen to me too often. Now, y'all, what I have discovered is when you first start making candles, people will tell you to use, oh, go to coconut wax, oh, go to virgin beeswax. You know, they tell you all these waxes, but what they fail to tell you that if you go to Bath & Body Works and you go and you walk past that joint after a Christmas sale, guys, people love that paraffin, okay? Because Bath & Body Works sell nothing but 100% paraffin. They do not have soy candles, and they also say that they put essential oil in their candles, And I 100,000% doubt that, okay? Now, they candles always look all suited up and burnt up after customers burn them. Our candles look completely better. We usually don't have all of that soot. So listen, your customers are going to love your candles. Now, if this is the first time that you have ever made a candle, I want to let you know a few tips. Your first candle should be done with plain wax. You shouldn't use any colors because in the beginning you want to determine whether or not you're able to burn a good candle. You should always buy your wax, your wicks, and your fragrance from a reputable candle supplier. Now, make sure you pay attention to your temperatures, and I'm going to make sure I give you guys your temperatures in the PDF. If you click the link in the description box, that will be there. When it comes down to the fragrance load percentage, you cannot go over that percentage because you can start a house fire. Make sure you follow the instructions to the T, and if you have any questions, you can definitely email me, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Stay away from using cinnamon, spices, flowers, and different things in your candle. To be honest with you, the only thing that I would use in my candles when I'm first starting out is wax, okay? So if you want to make wax embeds, that's good, but just stay away from flowers and things like that, as they are a fire hazard. You want to make sure that when you make your candle, that you do a test burn on your candle, and it should be a 1/2 inch deep of a melt pool within the first 4 hours. Now, when it comes down to your pouring temperatures, that means the temperatures that you normally would pour your wax into the jars. Make sure you follow those to the T to avoid any sinkholes. Sometimes when I'm making my candles, I don't feel like looking for the placements, just to place my wicks, to hold my wicks up, the wick placements. And I'll just go back and use the heat gun. It's not a good idea to use the heat gun because it does take away from your scent throw at the top of your candle, okay? Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave step-by-step instructions for you linked in the description box. It would be a nice PDF for you guys to go over and read all the information. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can reach me in the Patreon and the message center. And also you can email me if you did purchase the PDF, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Anyway, guys, be safe, have fun, and I will see you guys again for the next video.